What's up, TikTok? I just wanted to come on here and talk about the molds that I use. I've received numerous amounts of questions about the types of molds I use, where I get them from, and if I do make custom molds. I do make custom molds. I will make one this weekend and post a video on how I actually made it, but the ones that I would like to talk about that I purchase, I get them from Exotherm Shop off of Etsy. It's actually a really quick delivery turnaround time. I bought 2 molds and I think I received them within like 3 to 4 days. You are going to spend a little bit of money on them, but these are by far the cheapest molds that I have, that I have found. If you do buy these types of molds, make sure that you get some epoxy mold release. This stuff is awesome. You can buy it on Amazon. Spray the stuff on your molds, put the wood in there, pour the epoxy, or just pour the epoxy if that's all you're going to do. But this stuff helps the demolding process go a lot quicker. Once it's all hard and everything like that, I will show you how to demold one day, but I just tap it with a rubber mallet and my project actually falls out of the mold. So if you guys have any more questions like this, feel free, send me a message, or if you want me to make different types of videos on making other stuff, let me know what you guys want to see, and I will do my best to accomplish that for you guys. You guys have a good night.